Okay.
Please.
So what would you have created? Ground rules, corporate policy, employee standards, performance assessment standards. Your team's behavior during the last three team meetings has been unruly. Individuals have frequently interrupted each other and checked their phones throughout the meeting. In an attempt to drive discipline, you have established standards for how team members. Uh, the screen is okay. How team members should behave during meetings. What have would you have created? Okay, four choices: A, ground rules; B, corporate policy; C, employee standards, performance assessment standards. I would eliminate corporate policy because this is for the whole organization, not just related to the project. Employee standards is again the same thing, it is set by the organization. Performance assessment standards has nothing to do with discipline among the team. So I would say this relates to team charter, and ground rules are what he is establishing.
I really love the way not only you are able to solve the question in given time, but you said something that put the context on the question. Team charter. So, guys, for everyone, your answer is A. And let me look at the chat box. Ground rules, working agreement, ground rules.